Guys, make sure to stay until the end. We'll talk about common mistakes people make that can cost you thousands of dollars in repair diagnostics that you may actually not even need. So let's explain what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Mechanics. Super quick helpful video to any of you trying to find where the spare fuses are located on Jeep Cherokee, that generation here, from year 2014 to year 2023. You will need to find those for multiple things. If you're in the middle of nowhere, you need a replacement fuse, you can easily access them, replace the fuse and you get back on the road. Especially you have those micro 3-blade fuses that are super hard to find. Stay with us, we'll cover that today. And if you need to buy replacement parts tools, we'll share the information in the description of the video below. Check it out and you can see where we get most of our tools and supplies from. So let's start on it now. Before we start, guys, let us tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos, guys. We take them completely apart. We show you how to fix engines, transmissions, bodywork, engine codes, transmission codes, fuses, relays. Why we do that, guys, all that because our mission at the garage is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos, guys. Check out our YouTube channels. That's where, guys, you can find more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in free repair. So let's go ahead and start on it now. The replacement fuses, guys, on that Jeep Cherokee, where you can expect to find them. Now you have two different fuse boxes. And guys, okay, where they're located, we need to go ahead and open the driver door. When you open the driver door, you see right here, that's your headlight switch on the left side here of the steering wheel. But if you come close to it, underneath you have that storage compartment. If you flip it open on the back side, you have a fuse box right there. Here, guys, you don't have any spare fuses, but if you come under the hood, when you open the hood facing the engine, on the right side, this is the driver's side behind the car battery, that's the main engine fuse box. Press these two tabs together and lift the cover up. Behind it, you're going to find a fuse box with a layout like this one here. Before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. Guys, it's very important to always test your fuses and relays. Why? Sometimes you may think you have a good fuse, guys. It's hard to tell. Look at those fuses, right? And sometimes, okay, you pull the fuse. Okay, I'm going to get the fuse puller and I'm going to remove one fuse. I want to show you on that 20 amp fuse. Sometimes it's very unclear if that fuse is burned or not. You may not clearly see it. So always, guys, test them, because if you don't test the fuse, you assume it's good. You end up spending money, time and diagnostics for problems that do not exist, guys. So you can just waste your money and time. Always test your fuses, always test relays. We will put links in the description of the video below where you can find, guys, a video for testing a fuse and testing a relay that will explain everything that you need to do. Guys, here, where are the spare fuses? You have all kinds of different fuses and relays, guys. You see, you're going to have almost anything, okay, you can think of. You have J-case fuses, you have micro, mini fuses, triple, micro 3-blade fuse, mini fuse here. Those are micro 3-blade fuse, guys. Okay, so you have all kinds of different fuses and relays. But guys, there is one thing, okay, that you will need to check. You see that row right here? Those are the micro 3-blade spare fuses. Both of those are spare fuses on most models. And if you come in that row right here, those are the mini replacement fuses as well. 5, 10, 15, 20 and 25 amp. You can see. And from the micro 3-blade fuses, you have 10 and 15 amp. Those are the only ones practically that you use in the vehicle. So that's where they're located if you need to find one, guys. Guys, quick advice, this Jeep Cherokee uses all kinds of fuses and relays. We want to show you the different fuses. Those are special fuses right here. You have mega fuses, you have micro 3-blade fuses, you have little mini cartridge fuses, maxi cartridge fuses. Guys, those are super hard to find. If you're in the middle of nowhere, you may have a hard time finding a replacement one and you may end up being stuck in the middle of nowhere. So buy some, keep some spare ones in the glove box for peace of mind. We're going to share the information in the description of the video below where you can get fuses, relays at a really good price. That's where we get all our tools and supplies from, guys. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. If we have time and resources, we'll try to make video for your problem, guys. Thank you for watching. See you next time.